Rúndiamhair, the Irish word for mystery. One of my favourite words in the Irish language is the Irish word for mystery, Rúndiamhair. It literally means God's secret, or a secret sacred. Another related word is ruin, which also means mystery or beloved. It is a word that for me reflects the layered beauty of Gaeilge, the Irish language. From a psychological perspective, there is a deep layer in the psyche, where archetypes, myths, and deep primordial images dwell, a realm that belongs to all of humanity. A shared realm that Carl Jung called the collective unconscious. In dreams, visions, and moments of deep imagination, we encounter symbols that are not merely ours, but part of a vast, shared inheritance. Sometimes when we encounter that realm, it is a numinous experience. Numinous means an encounter with Rúndiamhair, with mystery, the awe-inspiring presence that feels larger than us, and yet intimately close. The divine secret, Rúndiamhair. In the presence of the numinous, we stand before the sacred, whether felt as divinity, eternity, or simply the overwhelming strangeness of existence itself. This sense of the sacred often arrives unbidden, and is a reminder that beneath our stories and struggles flows something vast and eternal. Rúndiamhair, mystery.